Every dollar needs a job before you spend it. Give your money a job, or it'll find one on its own. And trust me, it's usually a bad one. Here's what most people do: they earn it, then wonder where it went after it's already gone. A coffee here, a subscription there, a random impulse buy at 11 p.m. By the end of the month, you're staring at your bank app wondering what happened. Giving every dollar a job means flipping that order. Before you spend a single cent, you decide where it's going. Rent gets a job, groceries get a job, savings gets a job, even your Friday night out gets a job. Planned on purpose, not left over by accident. This is zero-based budgeting. Every dollar is assigned until there's nothing left to guess about. It's not about restricting your spending, it's about you deciding, instead of your bank account deciding for you. Let that sink in. If a dollar doesn't have a job, it will find one. And it's almost never a job you would have chosen. Give every dollar a job before you spend it, and watch how much control you get back. You don't need more money to feel in control. You need every dollar to have a purpose. Start with your very next paycheck. Before you spend a single dollar, give it an assignment. Comment below. What's one expense from last month you don't even remember making? Subscribe if you want more advice like this every week.